Trade recap for today. I missed the opportunity for today because I was eating after a full day of work, and I was telling myself, because I was eating and I came back at like 5:15. I mean like 5:20 or something. When did I get back? I came back at 5:19. So I low key, but I didn't. But I was evaluating the chart, so I was still late. 5:24. No wait, yeah, 5:21. It was literally just happening. The second candle just closed. I fucking barely missed it because I was driving back from work and I was telling myself like executions don't occur this early in session. Like I'm all good to have a quick bite because I got off work a bit later. And then of course today the markets are good and oh and the execution happens. Fuck me. Anyways, all good. Let's see. So I was on the hourly time frame. This imbalance got filled, so price was coming bearish. But what else? But it wasn't filled up here, so it was bearish off of that. But then, since it had come bottom side and it was going slightly up, I was thinking for the next hour or two it'll be bullish, and it was. So that's that. I scaled down a bit. Some highs here. This high here, which the sweep occurred on. This bottom here, which another sweep occurred on, which I will talk about because I got in on that. I got in on that late, and then I instantly, like after a couple of minutes, I got out at break even I, just because I kind of rushed it, and I even if I won or lost the trade, I didn't want to do it off of that position because I was just like, it was just impromptu, and I was still kind of emotional from missing this one before. So that was that one. So we had some liquidity topside here, and then on ES it was topside. Prices were a tiny bit diverged. Oh, bottom side here. See, that's here, but this bottom side was here, which is fine because when price swept the bottom here, it swept here on ES. It swept ES's bottom, and then it came lower and got this. So it actually got all the liquidity. So it was a good bullish move. So anyway, the one that I missed was here, slow sweep, and on ES it was sweeping nothing really, like this, but that was already being swept and reacted off of, so no, pretty much sweeping nothing, right? But the reaction bearish is what caused me to be like, oh, this is good, and then the retracement, and then the bearish move, and then so that was a good one right there. Get in there. Shoot for, yeah, I don't know, I'd probably shoot for like here or just here. I don't know if I'd have the balls to go all the way down to this one. uh, Maybe because it's ES's bottom, maybe depends how good shit was looking. And actually yeah, ES's bottom, yeah. Anyways, that was that one. Then price came, so at this bottom here, and I was saying this is the 2 points of liquidity on NAS, but the one on ES, but they're both bottoms, both the like full bottoms get swept, which is really good, and there's no liquidity like close, which is a really good sign. So price sweeps quickly, hard, and then stop loss hunt, boom, a strong stop loss hunt, so that's good, decent move away. The issue is no fair value gap at all, this tiny piece of shit here, and then this one here on ES is actually good, as you can see. Yeah. I got in later with my stop loss, like, I don't know, let's see when my stop loss was. But it was so close to being stopped out. 21417.5. 21417. Yeah, it would have stopped me out. Exactly. Exactly. I put my stop loss early. Stop loss is tighter here and risking 300. So I risked less just because I knew, like subconsciously I knew this is a shitty position. I do want to move stop loss ASAP because it's just the ES has a fair value gap. But even off the ES fair value gap, I should get in earlier. off of the close of this candle, so up here, then stop loss just below, and then shoot for those highs. That's the position. That's the position. And and that would have worked fine. Like, yeah, it would have worked fine. But because price also halfway through the position retraced into this 1 minute fair value gap really well, because that's the only fair value gap there is there at all. But because I got in late, I was like, stupid. So today was a good day of trading. Um, Next time I know when ES, well, because all the signs here are good for a liquidity sweep, and the main thing of my strat is the liquidity sweep. And because it got the bottom liquidity, like bottom here, bottom on both pairs, that's good signs that, and especially because I think it's bullish bias, that's very good signs that I should try and look for longs here. And strong move, even more signs. Like, yeah, and ES has this, and I think what I've actually noticed is when this happens, like NAS has a shitty or no fair value gap, but ES does. After it gets tapped on ES slash tapped on where it should be on NAS, price comes back to it like pretty close. I've noticed that happen before, so that's something to take into consideration. So not move stop loss too early. But yeah, so next time, yeah, I should have got in straight away just off of this candle, and I know that now, because the main thing is the sweep is good. That's the main thing for when I'm trading with my strat. So yeah, so sweep is good. And the little fair value gap, like it does get tapped, and a strong reaction off of that, which is good signs. So yeah, 48. So it runs for like an hour. So yeah, yeah, the ES fair value gap is good. It gets tapped well. Yeah, just the ES movement alone, and it's like correlating perfectly with NAS. Yeah, definitely should have got in straight away. All good. That's good learning. I'll know for next time. I gotta do it like, cause my work finishes like 4:30, so I literally drive straight here, and then just sit down and analyze the markets, and then if nothing looks like it's gonna happen, then grab a bite to eat or something. But that's calm. Figuring shit out. Yeah, good to see. Alright, too easy.